products Now DSP, which I'm going to talk about in a minute. But first of all, business problems are like Sudoku puzzles. In Sudoku rules, no number can be used twice in the same column, no number can be used twice in the same row, and no number can be used twice in the same section. What it translates into business is, in business, rules govern options, and best solution is always not obvious. Try and error is good, but it's time-consuming. It's also very complex, combination-wise. You can just do this and it doesn't work, so you do this, it doesn't work, you have to do this, it doesn't work. It's endless. And business problems are very complex, such as staff scheduling across multiple locations, service option recommendations for a diverse customer base, facility management plans incorporating multiple complexity factors. And here comes Now DSP Business Rule Management System to the rescue. It is a tool for organizing complex data and making it easily accessible. It makes know-how available and accessible to the entire organization. It does not, the know-how doesn't stay with a few key individuals. So the people leave, new people come in, and they can get access to that data that all people accumulated in the organization. It generates optimal solutions to complex problems, and it utilizes exhaustive search and combinatorial optimization. It does everything, all the work for you. You don't have to do try and error, try and error, try and error. And here's how Now DSP works. In a traditional software architecture, there's a core application code that's, tied together with the business rules. But in Now DSP, core application code is separated from the business rules, and rules engine communicates, sits in between business rules and core application code for the communication. And end users have direct access to business rules, so they can touch on the rules, they can change the rules. So the engineers, they can also change the rules, and that can be feedback, will go back into the core application code. So why do you adopt Now DSP? Because it organizes, optimizes, and centrally manages very complex business processes. It also takes advantage of combinatorial optimization to determine optimal solutions. And there are some additional benefits too. Rules are defined directly by the end users. As we saw this in this chart, the end users have access to business rules. Also, because there's a separation of application code and business rules, it simplifies system maintenance, which we also saw in this slide. And we have customers such as NTT Docomo, Fujitsu, Sharp, Molex, Olympus, Fuji Xerox, Seiko, Epson, Next System, and other companies. We also have colleges and universities as our customers, meaning the users of Now DSP. So let's take a look at the case study. In NTT Docomo, there's a cell phone store with a whole lot of service contract types, a lot of add-on options depending on contract, very diverse customer base, and staff experience. Some staff really knew about the staff, about the services, and the other staff people are new and not very familiar with the service options. So what we did with Now DSP, we did not clone the experienced staffers, we did not reduce the services or contract options, but we systematized the service recommendation process using the business rules and Now DSP. As a result, there were benefits to NTT Docomo. They were able to increase the customer satisfaction, they were able to reduce the customer attrition, they were able to improve service offerings, they were able to increase employee efficiency by 50%, they were able to shorten the development cycle by 40%, and finally they were able to increase sales opportunities because they were able to offer a service menu just when we needed, just customer needed. And we also have other successful implementations in addition to NTT Docomo. We had a healthcare management system. We work with large-scale customer management system, employee shift scheduling optimization system, and energy management system. With Now DSP, the complex problems are solved. If you have any questions, please visit us at booth 615. Thank you.